Bricks Plus Agent is a popular church management software that promises a lot, but before you decide to buy it, here are 12 key things you need to know. We'll compare it to other top contenders in the market so you can make the best decision for your church's needs. First, let's talk about the core features. Bricks Plus Agent is known for its streamlined member management system, helping you keep track of members, donations, and events all in one place. While this is a great starting point, competitors like ChurchTrack or Breeze offer similar features but with more customization options. So, it's important to understand how much flexibility you'll need. Next thing, pricing. Bricks Plus Agent comes with a relatively straightforward pricing model, but it can get a bit pricey for larger churches. If you're comparing it to others like Planning Center, which offers more tiered options based on your church's size, you might find more cost-effective solutions elsewhere. The third thing is user-friendliness. Bricks Plus Agent is easy to navigate, which is a major plus for churches that aren't tech-savvy. That said, it's not as intuitive as some of its competitors like Realm, which is known for its modern and intuitive interface. The fourth thing to know is the mobile app. Bricks Plus Agent does have a mobile app, but the reviews are mixed, with some users reporting glitches and lagging. On the other hand, Church 360 gives you a much more reliable mobile experience with solid reviews. Next, let's talk about integration. Bricks Plus Agent integrates well with basic platforms, but for advanced integrations, it's a little lacking. If your church uses specific tools, like online giving or live streaming software, you might run into some limitations. Some competitors, like Tithe.ly, excel here, offering seamless integration with other platforms. The sixth thing is customer support. Bricks Plus Agent offers support during business hours, but some users find the response time slower than others in the space, like ChurchSuite, which is known for having fast 24/7 customer service. Next, the reporting tools. Bricks Plus Agent does a decent job at generating standard reports, but it's not as advanced as what you'll find in software like RockRMS, which provides highly customizable reporting for churches with complex needs. Another thing to consider is the ease of setting up. Bricks Plus Agent setup is pretty simple, but there's a bit of a learning curve. For churches that want something hassle-free from the get-go, software like EasyTithe might be a better choice. The ninth thing is its donation management system. While Bricks Plus Agent does offer donation tracking, it doesn't quite match up to the robust systems provided by others like Tithe.ly, which makes online giving, tracking, and reporting easier and more efficient. Next, Bricks Plus Agent does have event management features, but if your church hosts a lot of events, you might find the options a bit limited. For more extensive event management, software like Ministry Platform offers much more flexibility. The 11th thing to note is the security. Bricks Plus Agent ensures that your data is protected with strong security measures. But if you're looking for highly advanced encryption and security certifications, some competitors, like RockRMS, have more comprehensive security features. Lastly, let's talk about the trial period. Bricks Plus Agent offers a trial, but it's fairly limited in what it lets you test out. If you're the type to want to test all features, you may prefer a competitor like Planning Center, which offers a full-featured free trial to give you a better feel for the platform. In conclusion, Bricks Plus Agent can be a good option for smaller to medium-sized churches. It provides core features that work well for most, but it might not offer the advanced tools or flexibility that larger churches or those with specific needs require. If you want to try something better, check out our recommended solution that offers more features and a free trial.